Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So I've got a video about how you can buy things on and offline using cryptocurrency. So there's a few different ways to do it. If you check out my channel, I've got a number of different methods to use it, and most of them involve using cryptocurrency to buy various gift cards online. So I was first introduced to this by what I would do is I would go to Amazon and I would redeem gift cards that I'd buy using different peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchanges. I'd redeem them and then I could buy anything I wanted online. But there's a more convenient way of doing this that will give you a bit more utility. So over here you can see this website called bitrefill.com, and what you can do there is you can buy any gift card that you like in a very convenient fashion. You don't have to go to some peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchange. And I've got here, it's located in Australia, so I've got a bunch of cards that are related to Australia. So you can see here we've got Coles, that's our main supermarket chain here. So you can buy a Coles gift card, that's one thing you can do. But what I'm going to teach you is how to buy a temporary Visa debit card that can be loaded up with cryptocurrency, and these are for temporary use, right? So if you load up $200, once the $200 is gone, then you can't use that card anymore. So I've selected Australia, but depending on the country you're in, there's going to be different options for wherever you're living. So the main option for these debit cards is this one here. It's called Green MasterCard. Sorry, the green card, the no plastic gift card, and it's a MasterCard one. But I've seen these for all other countries. They've got ones for the US. I think their one's called Visa Vanilla gift card, and they've got ones in the UK and in Europe, different Asian countries. And it's as simple as what you see here. You just select the amount that you want, so you can select up to $1,000. And then when you go to pay, you can have the option of paying with whatever cryptocurrency you want. That's also including Binance Pay and a few different chains using USDT. So you got TRC20, Solana, Aptos, whatever, so you can save out on fees. So what happens once you purchase it? Well, as you can see, I've already purchased one here, so I can show you what happens. I got this one here for $100, and you click claim gift card, and it's going to take you through a whole process. And yeah, you just have to do a few things on here to verify it, and once it's verified, you'll then have an app that you can use, and you can then use, I'm going to show you real quick here. So firstly, okay, here we go. Oh, it's a bit slow. But on this app, you'll have the card information saved. It's really slow. You can't really see it right now. But yeah, when that card information is, oh, here we go. So you can see here, this is a number. I'm not afraid to show you because there's $0 on there and it's not tied to my name or anything. So you'll get the card number and the, what is it, that code on the back, whether it's CVV and the expiry date. And then you just use this information when you go to purchase something online. I've had really good luck using this on eBay. I've used it on Amazon. I have not been turned down by any online retailers so far, but that depends on what Visa debit gift card that you're using. This one that I showed you, the green card in Australia, it works really well. I don't know how well the vanilla card works, but it's worth a try, and you can just make a note of which online retailers will accept your card. Now, when it comes to offline payments, when you're out in the real world and you want to pay for something, what's cool here is, I'm going to show you this real quick. If I click on the card, oh no, so it says here add card to wallet, and what that'll do is it'll give me the ability to add it to Apple Pay. And that means, assuming that your phone has NFC, the chip or something like that, you can then just simply tap and go, right? So when you usually use like a card, to pay for something, you can simply tap your phone and you can pay with your temporary card, your temporary Visa debit card that you purchased with cryptocurrency. Now, on one final, you've got all the information that you need now, so I don't want to waste your time, but there's just one more thing to know, and this is going to be very useful for you. What happens is that when you get to like low balance, right, when you've got only like $3 or $4 on there, or maybe $1.33, there's not really much you can do with it, right? So you'd think, well, maybe it's a waste of money because you're going to end up with all these cards with a low amount of balance. You can't do anything with them. So instead of wasting that, what you can do is, if you've got a small balance, what you can do is go to buy something on eBay or Amazon. Those are that's ideal, right? So go to, and then look for something you want. Imagine there's something that you want that is $100. what you can do is, imagine you've only got like $1.50 on your Visa card left, right? So what you can do is go to Bitrefill, get an eBay gift card for $98.50, and then redeem that on your eBay account when you're about to buy something, and then use the remaining balance on your Visa debit gift card for the purchase. And then that way you can make sure that you use the entire card's balance, so you don't waste money. So guys, if you like these neat little tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.